on N3FJZ here. As you know, the J310 transistor is no longer available in a through hole from a lot of places. And I've heard people are buying J310s from Amazon getting mixed results. So here's something I did. I purchased surface mount J310s from Mosier. And as you know, they sell genuine parts. And I got a little adapter board to solder it to bring out the leads to something more manageable. And here's the result. Okay. I took a little bit of soldering, but it was doable. And testing it, get the source gate drain 1, 2, 3. Source gate drain. So that's an alternative. You can get 10 of the surface mount J310s from Mosier for $1.72, and you can get the small adapter boards from Amazon for $2.49. I got links in the description of the email of the YouTube video here. Okay, here's how the adapter boards come from Amazon. I bought the 50 pack for $9, but you can get 10 for $2.49. And here's how the J310s are shipped from Mosier. So I'll strip, I'd be very careful taking them out. I'd use a jeweler's loop to solder it, but I was able to get it. Here's a through-hole J310 next to the surface mount on the adapter board side by side to give a comparison. Here's my Soldersmoke direct conversion receiver PTO that I built, and I have the original real through-hole J310 in here. As you see, it's outputting a signal. And here is the pinout. And we see the sources on the bottom, drains on top, gates to the left. And I bent my leads, my little adapter board to match that. Sources on top. On the bottom, I should say. Gates off to the side, drains off to the top. Okay, here's the surface mount J310 in the circuit, soldered in on this little adapter board. And as you can see, it's outputting a signal. So it works. So if you're having trouble getting J310s to work in your circuit from Amazon or some other sources, and you can't really get the through-hole version at a reasonable price from Mosier or DigiKey, you can get the surface mount version and put it on a small adapter board if you don't mind the soldering. Bring out the wires and then just put it in your circuit, like so. Does a good job. Okay, again, the links are at the bottom of the video on the parts that I used, and I hope you find this useful. N3FJZ 73, everyone.